be showing you how to make a Queen Esther Chibi charm. Start out by rolling a cone of sparkly purple clay, or just regular purple clay if you don't have any. Then roll out a small snake of the same purple clay and cut it into 2 small sections. Take one section and attach it at the top of the cone and wrap it around to the middle. Then do the same with the other section. Roll out 2 small balls of light skin color clay and attach them to the end of the arms. Make her necklace by rolling out a thin noodle of gold clay and attaching one end at the top of the cone, wrapping it around the front, and then attaching it back at the top of the cone. Pat the ends down so that it's firmly attached. Roll out light skin-colored clay into a ball and then indent a mouth with a small dotting tool. Roll out 2 tiny balls of black clay and place them on the face for the eyes. Use your finger to flatten them out and to shape them the way you want. Rub a Q-tip on a red piece of chalk or pastel and dab it onto the cheeks for blush. You can use the clean side of a Q-tip to get rid of any excess. Then attach the head to the body by gently pressing down. If the head gets a little deformed when you're attaching it, just reshape it with your fingers. Roll out a thin sheet of black clay and cut it into a U shape for her hair. Remove it from your counter and then place it on her head. Pat it down so that it's flat and even. Make sure to use your fingers to shape the hair around the head and onto the back. That way it's firmly attached and doesn't come off. Roll out a really small snake and wrap it around a needle tool or dotting tool to make little curly strands of hair. Do the same thing for the other side of the face. When you remove them from the toothpick or needle tool, very gently grab them and remove them from the tool. That way you don't squash them. Use your fingers to readjust them and pat down and smooth out any rough edges. Cut out a piece of gold clay with 3 triangles on it, 2 smaller and 1 bigger one in the middle. This will be her crown. Bend the 2 smaller triangles in a little bit to give it a rounded shape, and then gently attach it to her head, pressing down in the middle first and then working your way to the sides. Shape it with your fingers until you like the way it looks. Then add an eye pin behind the crown on top of the head. Cut it long enough so it goes from the head into the body. Here's how she should look before you bake her. Make any adjustments and then bake according to your clay's package instructions. Once she's baked, add 2 small white dots to her black eyes, using a small dotting tool dipped in white paint. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and comment below which saint you'd like me to make next. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless.